Hello there, welcome back. My name is Teacher Gilberto, and today we're going to see, guys, what is the difference between the word do and the word does. Good question. Um, According, guys, to my experience, according to my knowledge, guys, a lot of people think that the word does means past time. Oh yes, I does yesterday. So I mean, but guys, the reality is that both words are present, guys. Do and does is the same meaning. It's the same meaning, guys. The word do works also. Well, do is a verb, especially, but also, guys, work as a auxiliary. Once again, do and does is not does work as the same way. Okay? Do is a verb, yes, and also is an auxiliary. Why? Remember, guys, that every time if you asking a question and that person in front of you, well, you need to use the word do. Okay, because your question belongs to somebody. So you need to add the word do or the word does as an auxiliary when you ask a questions. Okay? Now, the teacher said that both are the same, but what is different then? Why here it's only two letters? And what about there? There are four. And what is auxiliary and what's a verb, right? So here, this is the big difference, guys. There you go. The word do goes for these four different subjects, which is I, you, we, and they. Once again, the word do, on this case, works as an auxiliary, not as a verb, right? So once again, if you want to ask a question and that guy, that person is in front of your face and your eyes, well, you need to use the word do because it works as an auxiliary. And then you can ask the question. So once again, the word do goes for I, the word do goes for you, the word do goes for we, and the word do goes for they. Okay? By the way, it's present tense. The past tense is did. Okay, but in this situation, guys, we are doing only present tense. And here, guys, is the other one. Does. Remember, not does, does. Again, does goes for she, goes. Does goes for he, and does goes for it. Okay, so they are, guys. They are the same meaning. They are the same auxiliary. Okay, both are present, but the only difference, guys, is that, well, they have their own family, right? Do for I, you, we, and they, and does for she, he, and it. Even that they are the same, guys, well, they are totally separate. Okay, so once again, remember that both are in present tense, which is the thing, guys. Okay, once again, both are present tense. What is the past tense? The word did. Okay, now I need examples. Let's begin with the word do. Do you think he is important? Right? Question mark, because it's a question. And because it's a question, I need to use the word do. Do you think it's important? If you say like this, you think it's important. You think he's important? It's kind of incomplete, guys. With no coherence. So I say, what? But what about if you decide to add the word, the auxiliary do? Do you think he is important? Now is a question. Okay? Now, this one. Now we have the word does. Does she likes ice cream? Question mark. Once again, remember that always add the letter S on every single word, verb, if I am talking about she or he or it. Okay? Does she likes ice cream? Yes, she does. Now, guys, this is basically a rule that I always mention, guys. If someone asks a question using do, well, the answer is going to be with the same word. Example: do you like apples? Yes, I do. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I do. Right? Does she likes pizza? Yes, she does. Does she like water? Yes, she does. You see? What about negative? Do you like fruits? No, I don't. Or no, I do not. It depends your style. And what about the other one? Does she like Chinese food? No, she does not. Or no, she doesn't. So depends your mood. Okay? And the last one, guys, the last one is this one. And do I need to learn this in my life? Do you think it's important? Do I need to learn this formula, this class in my life? Well, let me tell you, yes, you do. Why? Because it is, I think, it is one of the most important auxiliar in English in the English class, guys. The auxiliar do. So the answer is, do I need to learn this in my life? Of course you do, right? All right. So guys, see you next time. See you next time, guys. Take care and ciao, ciao. Bye bye.